I chose iPass kasi I know and I've researched iPass for too long na po, ma'am. Ang sa iPass kasi, they offer NCLEX review. So bali sa NCLEX review nila is I have checked their profile, I have checked their background, and I've known that they have offered magandang service when it comes to education. Yung mga instructors nila, grabe ang gagaling. They have also built this reputation po talaga na yung kanilang review center is kumbaga competent talaga when it comes to the nursing practice. Now, when I have heard po about iPass PNLE, then para sumagi sa isipan ko, ma'am, na uy, parang ito na yung idea or ito na yung time na mag-take ako kasi parang 3 taon na po ako nawala sa nursing field. So, bali total, 0 po talaga experience, 0 na nag-gain na knowledge. So, I believe that iPass really helped me in achieving this milestone kasi yung sa review nila is high quality din. When you say high quality, yung organized yung structures po nila, ma'am. And makita mo talaga yung educators, once again, they have also built this magandang foundation. When it comes to iPass, yung na-learn mo within 1 to 4 years is kaya nilang ituro within 3 months. So, ganun sila ka-effective na magbigay ng review. Additionally, isa po sa choice na pinagpilian ko is yung cost po talaga. Practical po kasi talaga tayong mga Filipino. When we say cost, pipiliin talaga natin yung mas mura. However, yung kay iPass, mura siya, but once again, I will say is hindi po sila tinipid sa education. Kung ano yung pong i-expect nyo po na quality when it comes to their NCLEX review, is ganun po din yung sa PNLE nila. So I can definitely say this is the best time or this is the kumbaga best reason to choose iPass po.